In Part 1, Bookkeeping Basics, you'll learn what bookkeeping is all about. It will include the ethical standards for bookkeepers, the accounting principles that guide recording processes and schedules, how to use the accounting equation to make sure bookkeeping records are accurate and balanced, and the accounting cycle that bookkeepers follow to ensure transactions are recorded and tracked properly. Part 2 focuses on tracking assets and sales. Here you'll discover how to track assets of a business, that is, what the business owns and sells, how to help business owners understand their business's worth, how much new revenue they are generating, and how much inventory they need to keep up with demand, and effective strategies for recording cash sales, invoices, inventory, and depreciation. Part 3 brings us to tracking expenses, liabilities, and equity. In this section, you'll become familiar with concepts like liabilities and equity transactions, tracking liabilities so that your clients always know what they owe in the long and short term, payroll accounting, and how to keep track of all the tax forms and withholdings associated with paying employees, and how to determine the value of a business by understanding owners' or stockholders' equity, and how this relates to their financial position. Last but not least, in Part 4, we'll take on concepts that have to do with reconciling and examining financial statements. This section explains how to reconcile accounts and provide accurate financial information to clients, how to use financial statements to explain financial trends, performance, and cash flow within the business, how to help clients build or compare budgets, and different metrics and ratios you can use to determine the overall health of a business. If that sounded like a lot, you're not wrong. This robust program is here to prepare you for the world of bookkeeping, and it's yours for the taking. Let's do this!